Today, we're looking at a handy CRM feature, the ring list. So why you need it? It helps you focus on a specific group of clients who need extra attention, so when you're calling or emailing, you won't miss anyone. First things first, pop over to your CRM tab and select Add a Ring List. Now, add a ring list code. Think of it as an easy nickname for quick reference. Next, add a description, just a sentence or two about what this list is all about. Then, select the type. Is it for prospects or your actual clients? Simple. Now on to the fun bit, filters. First, let's pick account status. We want active clients. Add 1 within quotes. Just so you know, 2 means account stopped, 3 is queried, 4 is dead, and 5 means inactive. Next, we filter by rep name, so you will know who is responsible for that customer. Then postcode. And finally, let's check activity within the last 10 months. Once you're happy with your filters, hit select and have a quick look at the info. If you want to get really fancy, we've got another video showing advanced filtering to narrow things down even more. Are you happy with the results? Click Save. And voila, you've created your very own ring list. Need to tweak your list? No problem. Head over to Contacts in your CRM, then Add Ring List. Now, from the drop-down, select the ring list you want to edit. Want to remove a filter? Just double-click it. And if it's time to say goodbye to the whole list, click Delete, say yes to the prompt, and that's it. Right! Now that we've created our ring list, let's put it to use. First, head back to your CRM tab and click on Contact Details. Then go to your Active List. This is where you'll find the ring list you just made. Select it, and straight away you'll see the first contact appear. From the drop-down in the Active List, you'll be able to flick through all the contacts included in your ring list, nice and organized. Now you can start calling or emailing your customers. While you're on a call, just click on Current Call to add any notes from the conversation. If they need a follow-up, you can drop in a callback straight from here. Once you're done updating that customer's details, just hit Next to move on to the next one in the list. And when you've finished working through it, press Exit the list to wrap up. And that's it! You're now working through your client list with zero hassle. Thank you! See you in the next training video!